welcome back to the channel. Something a bit different today. I'm going to be fitting a screen protector to the infotainment display. I've seen these recommended online by a few people. Obviously you're not going to drop or damage the screen with keys and things like that, like you might a mobile phone in your pocket. But I think I've seen a few people recommending it because this particular protector is matte, and as you can see there's quite a lot of reflection here on this screen. So I'm hoping that this will improve that situation. So I've got a few things to help me with this task. I'm going to obviously clean the screen beforehand, and then I've got a cloth here, a soft cloth for cleaning screens, which I'm going to use to clean the screen beforehand. And then I've got this little squeegee scraper thing, which has come with a mobile phone screen protector, because that's all this is really just a giant mobile phone screen protector. Now it looks absolutely enormous. That must be about, I don't know, 40-45 centimeters top to bottom, but I'm hoping that when we get inside the packet it won't be quite that big, because otherwise I'm going to have to trim it to fit this screen. So yeah, let's have a look. First of all, I will give the screen a good clean. Right, let's get the screen protector out of the packet. I ordered this on Amazon and it arrived yesterday from Germany. Bro Protect is the brand. Yeah, and there we are, that's a much smaller size. Now, Anbringungsanleitung, instructions. Locate a dust-free area, e.g. a bathroom, and carefully remove any dust or dirt from the display. Well, as you can see from the picture, it is a mobile phone they're talking about, and I don't plan to take the Enyaq into my bathroom. That might cause all sorts of other problems. Remove half of the thin cover film of the screen protector and align the screen protector on one side with your screen. Yeah, so this is basically cover a credit card with a soft cloth and carefully slide over the screen. Yeah, so this is basically a giant mobile phone screen protector. So let's have a look. Okay, so I think I'll peel it off and I'll align. I think I'll align along this side. Let's just make sure that's going to. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it's a matter of aligning it with that top corner. So let's do that. Hopefully I can manage this without too many bubbles. Okay, so that's in the top corner there. Try and get rid of any bubbles that are here. Ironically, because it's so sunny today, I'm actually struggling to see whether there are bubbles. That's not adhering too well. That's better. And then just a matter, just as you would with any mobile phone or a tablet, I got some pretty big bubbles there. Try that again. Yeah, there's a few bubbles there, but that's easy. Squeeze them out, just as you would on a mobile phone. This little squeegee tool, as I say, came with a mobile phone screen cover, and I've kept it, and it really is excellent. It's far better than most of them seem to suggest. Taking a credit card and covering it with a cloth. This thing is actually quite soft, quite pliable. And it's doing a really good job here actually. Yeah, few tiny bubbles there. Okay, and that is largely invisible. However, what it has done, it probably doesn't come out on the camera, but it really has taken the glare off that screen, and that has noticeably improved things. So there we go, just a quick simple video for today. Not going anywhere, working from home today, so I'm just going to plug in the car and I'll let the sunshine charge it for the rest of the day, because it's a gorgeous sunny day. The home battery is almost full. The air source heat pump is probably not going to be needed today because it's due to warm up, and therefore all that excess sunshine can go straight into filling up the Enyaq. Thanks for watching. I hope that's been of use to somebody, and as I say, this one comes recommended from a number of people I've seen in some of the Enyaq groups on Facebook, and based on my experience so far, I think it looks like a really good quality product. Anti-glare, anti-scratch, bubble-free, anti-fingerprint. Obviously that depends how you apply it, but yeah, that looks pretty good to me, and check it out on Amazon.